All right, so here at Audio Edge, all right, 823 South Memorial Highway. The owner, Chris, is a real stand-up guy. I wanted to add this Compustar onto Genzilla Supercharged just to make sure I have that extra added protection. All right, so my tech, Justin, who's doing the install right now on my car, has been doing this 23 years, and he was telling me that, and I kind of already knew this, but he was telling me that the chargers are all assembled pretty much the same way, even though it's a higher-end Hellcat all the way down to the V6 Chargers. They're all pretty much assembled the same way. So when he was taking off clips, it was pretty familiar to him. So he's been doing this a while, and you know, he's pretty experienced when it comes to removing these clips. All right, so Chris was just telling me they also do lighting here. So HID lights, and if you want any kind of accent lights to separate your car, they will also do that here. So make sure you check them out for that. All right, also, if you guys call, you can call and ask for TJ. All right, he will take care of you, get you set up. He's been doing this. He was a tech for 13 years. He doesn't really do too much of that anymore, but I'll put his information in the description portion of this video. Make sure you guys check him out if you're in the area. And if you want anything as far as audio systems, security systems added to your car, you can come check these guys out.